What if Range Rover, already the king of luxury SUVs, decided that wasn't enough? What if someone looked at a 220,000 pounds machine and said, "Hold on, we can do more"? Well, someone did, and his name is MANSORY. Welcome to the most outrageous, most controversial, most jaw-dropping Range Rover build on the planet. But before we go any further, if you're new here, you are on the Auto Standard, the channel where we don't do average cars, and we definitely don't do average content. Hit that subscribe button right now, turn on your notifications, and let's get into it. Trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming at the end of this video. It will change how you see luxury SUVs forever. The Range Rover, a name that commands respect in every language, in every country, on every continent. For decades, it has been the go-to machine for royalty, heads of state, celebrities, and anyone who simply refuses to compromise on luxury. But there's a company, a German-based tuning powerhouse, that looks at perfection and says, that's just the starting point. Ladies and gentlemen, today on the Auto Standard, we're doing a full breakdown of the 2026 MANSORY Range Rover, the custom, handcrafted, over-the-top masterpiece that redefines what an SUV can be. We're talking aesthetics, performance upgrades, interior transformation, price tag, and the one question the whole car world is asking: is it a work of art, or has it gone too far? Stick with us till the very end, because we've saved the most unbelievable part of this build for last. Let's set the stage, because if you don't know MANSORY, you need to. Founded in 1989 by MANSORY, this company started as a niche customization workshop in Germany and has grown into one of the most polarizing and most talked about luxury car tuners on earth. MANSORY doesn't just add a body kit and call it a day. No. They literally rebuild vehicles from the ground up. Carbon fiber, custom leather, performance engine upgrades, bespoke forged wheels, completely reimagined interiors. Their clientele? Think oil billionaires, Middle Eastern royalty, Russian oligarchs, tech moguls. You name the most exclusive car in the world: Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren. MANSORY has touched it, modified it, made it more. Whether you love them or hate them, one thing is undeniable. When MANSORY builds something, the world stops and stares. And their 2026 Range Rover project? It might just be their most ambitious work to date. Now let's talk about what hits you first. And trust me, it hits. The 2026 MANSORY Range Rover exterior is what happens when a luxury SUV goes through a superhero transformation. Every single body panel has been revisited. Every surface reconsidered. Carbon fiber, everywhere. The front bumper, carbon fiber. The side skirts, carbon fiber. The rear diffuser, carbon fiber. The hood vents, the roof spoiler, the mirror caps, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. We're talking about MANSORY's signature wide-body kit, which adds dramatic flared wheel arches that make this Range Rover look like it's been hitting the gym every day for the last 3 years. This broader, this more aggressive, this commanding in a way the stock car simply cannot match. The front fascia gets completely redesigned. A new lower splitter, revised air intakes, and an aggressive front grille that doesn't ask for respect. It demands it. Around the back, the rear end is just as theatrical. A full-width diffuser, custom quad exhaust tips because 4 pipes, people, not 2, and a rear spoiler that ties the whole package together beautifully. Now the wheels. Oh, the wheels. MANSORY fits this beast with their signature FD.15 forged wheels. That stunning turbine disc design that looks like something pulled straight off a concept car. Finished in gloss black, dark chrome, or bespoke 2-tone specifications, and sized between 23 and 24 inches. They fill those widened arches perfectly. The stance, the ride height, slammed just enough to look menacing without losing any of that luxury SUV presence. Color options are where it gets truly personal. MANSORY offers their clients virtually unlimited paint options, from deep matte black, to satin green, to pearl white, to custom 2-tone split schemes. For 2026, one of their most talked about finishes is a dual-tone fading paint job that transitions seamlessly from exposed carbon fiber to a deep metallic pearl. It's unlike anything you've seen on an SUV. If you can dream it and you have the budget, they will build it. The result? A Range Rover that looks like it parked up from a different dimension. If the exterior is the battle armor, the interior is the throne room. Mansory's philosophy is simple. When you close that door, the outside world should feel like a completely different universe. And inside this Range Rover, it absolutely does. The entire cabin is draped in the finest hand-stitched Napa leather, with diamond stitching or cross-stitch patterns that take skilled craftsmen hours upon hours to complete. But here's what makes the 2026 build particularly special. Mansory is now also offering ultra fabrics, premium sustainable textiles that are completely vegan-friendly, yet somehow manage to feel and look even more expensive than traditional leather. In 2026, sustainability isn't a compromise. It's a flex. The dashboard, completely bespoke. Mansory replaces and retrims the instrument panel, the door cards, the center console, and every touchable surface, incorporating carbon fiber trims that mirror the exterior language of the car. The headliner gets the Alcantara treatment, a material that feels like suede, looks like $1 million, and is reserved exclusively for the world's most prestigious cabins. The steering wheel, redesigned, wrapped in leather, contrasted with carbon fiber paddles, and stitched with the client's choice of thread color. The floor mats carry Mansory's logo. Even those are custom. The Mansory badge appears throughout, subtly embroidered on the headrests, etched onto sill plates, and debossed on the leather where appropriate. The seats are so comfortable, so perfectly sculpted, that long journeys stop feeling like travel and start feeling like therapy. The technology inside remains Range Rover's brilliant Pivi Pro infotainment system. Mansory doesn't reinvent the wheel when it comes to tech, because Land Rover already did that exceptionally well. What they do is frame it all in materials so premium that using the touchscreen feels like signing a luxury document. There's a reason clients spend weeks, sometimes months, in consultation with Mansory's design team specifying exactly what they want inside. The options are nearly limitless. The result is always extraordinary. Now here's where the auto standard really goes deep, because Mansory doesn't just make this thing look faster. They make it actually faster. And in 2026, the numbers are genuinely staggering. The donor vehicle for the most extreme Mansory builds is the Range Rover SV, the pinnacle of Land Rover's lineup. Under that hood sits the P615 powertrain, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 that, straight from the factory, produces between 607 and 615 horsepower. Let that sink in. That's what Range Rover is giving you before Mansory even opens the bonnet. But Mansory, they are not done. Through ECU remapping, upgraded turbochargers, optimized intercoolers, and a completely reworked exhaust system, Mansory's 2026 tuning package pushes this engine to a certified 750 horsepower. 750 horsepower in a full-size luxury SUV. That's supercar territory. That's the kind of number that makes sports car owners nervous at traffic lights. The exhaust system is completely replaced, and that Mansory quad-tip setup isn't just for aesthetics. It flows better, breathes better, and produces a sound that can only be described as symphonic intimidation. Handling upgrades, lowering springs, upgraded brake kits, and performance tire packages all work together to ensure that 750 horsepower is usable, planted, and safe. The result? A machine with the presence of a luxury limousine, the comfort of a 5-star hotel room, and the performance of a thoroughbred sports car. It's not just about going fast. It's about the sheer confidence that comes with knowing you have more, so much more, on tap whenever you want it. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. How much does all of this cost? Let's break it down. Your starting point is the 2026 Range Rover SV long wheelbase, fully optioned. We're talking a base price that now sits closer to £220,000 in the UK, or around $240,000 in the United States. That's before Mansory opens a single door. Mansory's conversion packages, depending on the depth of the modifications, add significantly to that figure. Full carbon fiber widebody, starlight headliner, ultra fabric or Napa leather interior, FD.15 forged wheels, and that 750 horsepower engine tune. By the time you've signed the papers, you are looking at well over £500,000. As in, the price of a decent house in London sitting on 4 wheels. We're talking £550,000 and above. That's around $680,000 in the United States. But here's the perspective that the auto standard always brings to these conversations. When you buy a MANSORY vehicle, you are not buying a car. You are commissioning a hand-built, bespoke, one-of-a-kind luxury object that no one else in the world will have configured in exactly the same way. Every MANSORY build is essentially unique. It carries your fingerprints, your color choices, your leather selection, your stitching pattern, your will finish, your paint fade. In a world where anyone with enough money can buy the same Range Rover SV, a MANSORY commission ensures that yours stands completely, unapologetically alone. For the clientele that buys these vehicles, that exclusivity alone is worth every single penny. Okay, real talk time. Because on the auto standard, we don't just celebrate cars, we discuss them. The MANSORY Range Rover is one of the most divisive vehicles in the luxury car world. And there are two very firm camps. Camp 1, the critics. Many traditional car enthusiasts and even some automotive journalists argue that MANSORY goes too far. That the stock Range Rover, designed by some of the world's best automotive designers at Jaguar Land Rover, is already a perfect piece of design. Clean, elegant, timeless. They say MANSORY's additions are excessive. That loading on carbon fiber, widening the arches, and adding quad exhausts crosses the line from customization into noise. Some critics go further, calling MANSORY builds tasteless or garish. There are respected car reviewers who genuinely believe these modifications reduce the vehicle's desirability. And you know what? That's a valid position. Camp 2, the believers. Then there are those who see it completely differently. MANSORY's fans, and there are millions of them worldwide, argue that personal expression is the highest form of luxury. That buying a Range Rover and leaving it stock is the safe choice. The predictable choice. That MANSORY gives wealthy individuals the ability to say, this is MY vision, this is MY statement, this is MY car. And in the rarefied air of ultra-high net worth culture, standing out doesn't just matter. It's the entire point. The streets of Dubai, London, Lagos, Beverly Hills, and Monaco tell the story. Every time a MANSORY Range Rover pulls up, phones come out. People stop walking. Conversations stop mid-sentence. Controversial? Absolutely. Ignored? Never. And perhaps, in the world of ultra-luxury, that is the ultimate measure of success. Where do you stand? Drop it in the comments below. Let's have this debate. The auto standard is a community, and we want your take. Now, I promised you at the beginning of this video that I saved the most unbelievable part for last. And here it is. For 2026, MANSORY has gone further with the Range Rover SV than anyone thought possible. They've launched what the industry is calling a one-of-one bespoke commission, a full ground-up reimagination of the L460 generation Range Rover that takes the MANSORY legacy and completely resets the benchmark. This isn't just a tuned Range Rover. This is a bespoke rolling sculpture. A new front end, a new rear end, a carbon widebody that adds over 100 millimeters of width to the vehicle's silhouette, a revised roofline, a hood with integrated functional vents, an interior that has to be seen to be believed. That dual-tone fading paint, transitioning from raw carbon fiber to a deep metallic pearl, makes the car look genuinely different depending on which angle you're viewing it from. It shifts, it breathes, it moves with the light. Step inside and it only gets more dramatic. 3-tone Napa leather paired with ultra-fabric panels. Laser-etched carbon fiber trim throughout. Illuminated door sills. A completely custom steering wheel with integrated MANSORY badging. And the headliner. A starlight ceiling crafted from over 1,000 individual fiber optic lights, placed by hand. You recline in the rear seat, look up, and you are staring at a private sky full of stars. Inside a car, while doing 80 miles per hour on the motorway. And the engine? The 750 horsepower twin-turbo V8 we talked about earlier. A monster. An absolute monster dressed in the world's most refined suit. The price for a commission like this? Well above £550,000. And you won't just need the money. You practically need an invitation to buy one. There isn't just a waiting list. This is a closed conversation between Mansory and a very specific type of client. The Mansory Range Rover is not just a car. It's a philosophy. It's the belief that luxury should never have a ceiling, that craftsmanship should be deeply personal, that your machine should be as unique and as unapologetic as you are. Whether you think it's a masterpiece or an overindulgence, you absolutely cannot look away. And that right there is the point. This has been the Auto Standard, where we don't just talk about cars, we live them. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. It genuinely helps us reach more car lovers just like you. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we have some incredible content coming your way very soon. And before you go, tell me in the comments, would you daily drive a 750 horsepower Mansory Range Rover? Yes or no? And why? I read every single comment. The Auto Standard community is one of the best on YouTube, and I want to hear from you. Until next time, stay passionate, stay curious, and keep the standard high. Peace.